7시간만 버텨보자. 7시간만. 살람 알레이쿰. 카이로도 공항 진짜 깔끔해. 공항노숙은 다른 거 뭐 없고, 화장실 여기 있고, 그 다음에 팔걸이 없고, 여기가 천국이지. 여기가 천국이야. 근데 여기 뭐 책상으로 쓸만한 건 안 보이네. 편집을 좀 해야 되는데. Can I go inside? 이 파트를 끌고. 아, 장애인. 땡큐 하비비. 아, 근데 자리가 마땅한 데가 없네. 여기 팔걸이도 없고 데스크도 있는데 콘센트도 있고 자리가 애매해요. 앉을 수가 없어. 찾아봐야겠다. 마땅한 데가 없는데? 여기서 해야 되냐? 자리가 여기밖에 없다. 여기밖에 없어. 이따가 한 3시간 있다가 체크인 할 때 한번 안쪽에 가서 한번 더 찾아볼게요. Hello, 살람 알레이쿰. 졸려. 아직 자면 안 돼. 헬로. 진짜 거짓골이구나. 머리 떡친 거 봐. 하비브. 개꿀? 여긴 최소 2시간짜리 공간이다.
Howdy, like Harry Potter.
이거는 빨래. 아우 좋아. 이제 3시간 남았으니까 슬슬 가볼게요. 이집트는 공항에서도 시간 약속을 안 지켜. 학을 뗀다 내가. 학을 떼.
Sorry.
Where you from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
Toronto?
Toronto.
Exactly.
Where you from?
South Korea.
South Korea. Okay. Yeah. You're a YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber and traveling around the world alone.
Yeah. Cool, man. A sponsor that pays for your flight?
No, everything is just myself. Yeah.
Cool, man. Yeah, Greece is really nice, actually.
Have you been there?
I have. I work for the airline, Air Canada. Yeah. So they have a lot of blue and white houses.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we can swim? How
I
temperature?
think so. Yeah. There's a lot of people that swim on the islands. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Lance. What's yours?
Lance. Harry.
Harry? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. 체크인 완료했습니다. 3시간 남았고 춥고 배고프고 졸리고. 근데 졸린 거는 참겠는데 배고픈 건 못 참잖아요. 밥 먹겠습니다. 근데 또 혼자 먹으면 맛이 없겠죠? It's up to you. What do you want to eat?
Restaurant?
Yeah, it's gonna be expensive though, right?
That's probably gonna be.
Do you like Burger King?
I like Burger King.
Yalla.
Yalla.
와퍼가 10,000원이고.
It's like double the price of.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
even in other countries, it's like way expensive.
Salam alaikum.
Hello.
Pizza?
Pizza?
Yeah, fresh.
Fresh.
Yeah.
You wanna go pizza?
Sure, man.
Wow. One pepperoni and you?
Yeah, pepperoni too. For
Make
me.
it two, right? 피자가 크다. 피자가 커. So we have to spend all money.
Yeah, exactly.
We don't need it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yalla.
Yalla. You learning all the languages too?
Yeah. It's really good, right?
Yeah, especially when you're hungry. Yeah. I feel like I've been waiting at the airport for like 4 hours.
Shit. What do you for live? Steward. Ah, you told me.
Yeah, I work on the plane. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why when I fly, I fly really cheap. So I like to travel all the time.
Unbelievable.
I envy you. How much time do you have? And how much more time?
Not sure for that.
You know?
Yeah, I'm still deciding, but I'll be back home like after 5 months at least.
Wow. So like 1 year.
Almost.
Wow. That's crazy, man. You must have met a lot of people.
When I see someone, I just like, hi, how are you?
Yeah, you're a
What are
very
you?
friendly guy. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you felt it?
Yeah. When you came in the line, yeah. Which one's the best country so far?
Turkey. I traveled 3 months. Especially people really nice.
Yeah.
Very, very friendly. And they always invited me. We just met on the street. They just invited me. Please come to my home. Could you please have dinner with me?
Really?
Something like that. What about you? You travel a lot, right?
Yeah.
And then, what is your favorite?
Oh, I did Japan. Philippines is one of my favorites.
Where's
I
Korea?
love Philippines.
Where's
I haven't
Korea?
done Korea yet.
Shoot.
I was going to do Korea. I want to go to Seoul and yeah.
Seoul.
Was it Incheon? Incheon, right?
Itaewon. Can I ask you, what is the biggest region that you travel?
The biggest region?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good question. Let's see. In English, they have this expression, right? And it's traveling is the only experience you pay for that makes you richer.
For the money or
Or
Inside.
Oh, yes, inside.
Ah,
yes,
yeah, I got it,
richer.
I got
Yes,
it,
it
I
makes
got
you like when you travel, you meet so many people.
Oh yeah.
You see so many cultures.
Yeah, same here.
It's
bro.
like it's eye-opening. So have you been to Europe before?
I think no.
No, eh?
Yeah, no.
Oh
way.
yeah, it becomes very different. It's crazy. So you go, Japan is very different from like Korea, but like all the Asian countries, like they're a little similar. And then you go to like, here, Egypt, and it's all Muslim and Arab, and it's like
Yeah.
very different. And then you go Europe, and it's sometimes you get like a bit of a culture shock, where it's like it's so different from what.
Yeah, but I already saw many stuff and things from social media.
Yeah,
before to
I
go.
guess so,
Yeah,
yeah.
So, not like that.
Fair enough. Yeah, Greece is like the cheap side of Europe.
Ah, sure, for sure.
Yeah, eat some good food there too. Yeah.
Yeah, souvlaki.
Souvlakis, lots of souvlakis.
I
Yeah,
love
yeah.
pork.
Yeah.
We love pork.
Real pork.
Yeah, exactly.
This country?
Nothing. So true. Yeah. Yeah. I was traveling with some Tunisian girls here in Egypt, and they told me a lot about Tunisia. The capital, Tunis, they have a lot of like white and blue
I
houses.
saw that.
So you have to go, yeah. Oh man, you have so many places to visit though. So many decisions.
Thank you for your information.
Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks for asking. I love talking about this stuff. About
When
traveling.
you finish traveling, you got a good stop or a good place. I really like to share it.
Me too. Yeah. Especially sometimes, like you're finished with like Egypt, and then someone's coming to Egypt for the first time, and
Recommendation.
you give all the recommendations.
Yeah.
Like go here, go there.
Please, could you go there?
Yeah.
Do you smoke?
Smoke what?
Not weed. Just normal cigarette, bro.
Oh, not cigarettes, no. But in Canada, weed is legal, so
Some states were every.
all of them. Yeah, provinces they're called. in Canada.
드디어 간다. 몇 시간 만이냐? I just arrived in Cairo from Aswan by train.
Okay.
I stayed in the airport during 8 hours.
In the
So-
airport, wow,
How many hours?
8 hours.
So 14, 8 hours, so 22 hours.
Yeah, that's a long time.
혓바늘 났어, 혓바늘. 와, 졸려. 심장 쪼그라들 것 같아, 졸려가지고. 그거 아시죠? 눈만 감아도 바로 잠들 수 있는 그게 지금 저예요.
이거 you go to your hotel.
Yeah.
Maybe you just stay in the lobby. Maybe they let you check in early.
Inshallah.
Instead of the trip, you did the handshake or the prom.
Yeah. Take care.
Yeah, good luck, huh?
Good luck.
Yeah. Hope you can
Bye-bye.
sleep on your
바이바이. 입국 심사 역대급으로 짧았다. 와, 3초 컷, 3초 컷. 뭐 PCR, 백신 아무것도 안 보네요. 그냥 코리아 빵. 어서 오고. 일단은 그리스에 잘 도착한 것 같습니다. 아우, 어지럽네, 어지러워. 그리스 공항 유심은 절대 사면 안 된다고 악명이 높죠. ATM도 아마 13%, 14% 정도 뗄 거예요. 모든 건 다 시내로 가서 해결할 생각이고, 문제는 지금 새벽 6시입니다. 아침 6시라서 아마 체크인을 얘네들이 안 해줄 거예요. 그래서 그게 좀 걱정이긴 합니다. 그리고 또 6시간을 어디서 어떻게 버텨야 될지. 제가 대책 없이 진짜 여행을 하긴 하는데, 이럴 때마다 좀 생각 드는 거는 어느 정도는 좀 대책도 좀 세우고 그래야 되지 않나. 아무튼 앞으로 그리스 여행 기대 많이 해주시고, 그리스에 그렇게 오래 머물 것 같지는 않아요. 오늘도 짧지 않은 제 영상 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사드리고, 함께 여행해주셔서 감사합니다. 그리스 여행 영상도 기대 많이 해주세요. 여기가 그리스냐? 안 나눠주겠지? 어떡하지? 얼마야? 이게 지금 13,000원 정도 하는 거니까. 그거 스테이크 쥐꼬리만한 거 3만원. 100유로를 뽑았거든요 제가. 지금 수수료가 31,000원이 빠져나갔어. 저녁으로 돼지꼬치 하나 먹고 8만원 썼는데? 아니, 무슨 일이 벌어지고 있는 거지? 어이구야. 야, 파르테논. 뭐야?
I don't know.
바이 바이 바이.